Do I look fat? Hello motherfuckers, welcome back to motherfucking channel. Okay, so have you ever seen a big man with a little notebook? Hey. Okay, today, for real, we're gonna be following Adam Rayoke, aka Rosa. We're gonna be following his recipe that he put on YouTube. Cheesiest buffalo chicken recipe. Bitch, I watched this the other day. I'm just gonna watch it again so I can get all the, everything I need to do now. Oh god, I hope you can't see my thighs. But baby, when I watched this the other day, he made that shit. I was like, wait, because it looked so fucking good. So I'm gonna watch it on my phone because my TV really wants to get beat up tonight. What the fuck? Like, bitch. That looks so fucking good. Okay, chicken. Chicken ranch hot sauce. Chicken ranch hot sauce dip. I love, oh my god, I have to subscribe, hold on. Okay, so what Adam did was he used rotisserized chickens from like Walmart or like Kroger or something. What I did was I already had chicken, so I just was like, fuck it, let's just make chicken. You can do it either way, but I just decided to do it like this. I'm gonna add some of my own like little sauces to it. I got tapatio, I'm about to put in that bitch. Garlic powder mixed with pepper, seasoning salt, and some garlic powder. I just wanted to give it a little, jizzed up. And then you gonna mix that bitch and mix it right the fuck up. It's probably nasty as fuck, but hey, it is what it is. Not a raw mustache. Yo, these bitches really. This is so racist. I don't know. Okay. High taste test. Fuck. Okay. So the chicken is all shredded up. I'll take a picture of it because I don't know if this motherfucker is focusing. Okay. Oh, period. This is a lot of chicken, so I'm not going to use all of it. And with that being said, it is very spicy because I put that tapatio in it. But it's delicious. So, Rosa said just put in the ranch. I got the pan a little too hot, so it was like bubbly when I put that ranch in. But the hot sauce, then add the hot sauce, and then add the cream cheese. Now this took a little while to like melt down and stuff. She says that in this video. I got you guys at a nice angle, so that's all that matters. Yeah. Okay, so what Rosa did is she put down her chicken first. And then on top of that, she put down cheese. I do not have the mozzarella cheese that she has. I have cheddar, sharp cheddar cheese, and that's fine. Like, it's whatever. Just use whatever works for you, nigga. Mixes it together. So that's what we're doing now. This shit looks crazy. Like, it doesn't look as greasy in her video, but mine looks greasy. Okay, wow. Here we go. Yes. 15 minutes, right? I think. Okay, wow. I may have snapped. Let's do this. Oh, my big ass hands in the way, y'all. Alright. Oh my god, it looks just like his, I think. Wow. It is really greasy, but I'm so ready to taste this shit like now. Got a little sour cream, got a little dip going on. I put a little rice on there. A little rice to do you a little good. And usually I put like hot sauce on there, but I know it's already hot, so I just can't wait to taste it. Let's do this. Okay, ever since I seen him make this the other day, I've like dreamed of putting it in a tortilla, like a burrito. So that's what I'm doing. This the remix. But yeah, that's all I did. Here's the plate. I don't know if you can see that. I really hope you guys can see that. Alright, I'm gonna taste the dip first, just how he did it. I have Doritos. I'm talking about. Oh, yeah! Baby, he did that. Okay. I gotta taste this burrito. This is so fucking good. Wow. Wow. But thank you, Adam, for making this dip. Because, bitch, I'm shook. This was really fucking good. But I had fun. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and go follow Adam. We're okay. Period. I'm going. Bye, motherfucker.